Hello, my name's Maya Van Treese. The app or website I decided to use was Starfall. So on this, you can type in starfall.com into the web, or you can get the app. And the app is green. So when you go to the app store and you type in Starfall, the app's going to be green like this color with a big yellow star on it. It's free to download the app. But if you want to join and be a member, there's prices that come along with it. A lot of stuff comes with it without being a member, but if you want everything that comes with it, you got to sign up. So there's different memberships you can get. You have the home membership, but for a teacher in the classroom, you're probably going to do the teacher's membership or a classroom one. The teacher's one is for the teacher's computer and up to 6 student computers, and then the classroom one's for the teacher's computer and all the computers in the classroom. So in my room, I'd probably just do the teacher's membership for 6 student computers so the students can work on them in small groups when they have some independent time, and then have it for the teacher computer too so I could have it up on the board. So for this, I would probably use the website for kindergarten through 2nd graders. I know some teachers from other schools who have used it and who have said great things about it. We can jump into the different categories and just quickly go over them. So you have all the different letters, but the only problem that I have found on it so far is it's hard to track students' progress. So if I was to use this for them in small groups, I'd probably make a sheet that has all the different letters or everything I want them to accomplish over time. And then after they finish a letter, they just exit off and they go on to a different one so they're not repeating letters. And then once I figure out what needs they still have, then they can focus specifically on those letters.
T. T.
So it shows you the capital one and the lowercase of the letter. And then it says the letter sound for you.
Tiger. What are you doing in there, Tiger? Whoa, look at his teeth. Whoa.
So I think this is very interactive for the students and very easy for them to use as they're going along. And with small groups, sometimes it's hard to find stuff for kindergartners to do because they need something that they won't have to keep asking questions about, and they can understand how to get through it, and they have instant feedback if they did something wrong.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So it goes through the different letters, and then it has a word or a couple words for each of them. And then at the very end, you have a game that goes along with each letter. And then once you get through it, it takes you back to the home screen.
Goodbye.
But we're just going to go there now. And then you can go out of letters. And with kindergarten in Wichita Public Schools, you read quite a few folk tales, and some of the ones are on here. So a way you could do it with our kids is have them read a story on here, and it has the audio of it for you. And then we can read the one we have in class as a whole group. And this will give the students a chance to compare and contrast and then use their Bloom's taxonomy to go up the different levels so they can understand and evaluate and compare these stories. They have a math section. This is the one you need the membership for. But you can go through just like with the letters, and it makes it really fun and interactive, but easy to understand for the students.
Goodbye.
And this I would have a sheet for too, just because it's harder to track the progress of it. And if you're looking at the SAMR model, I think there's many things you can do. So yes, it substitutes some of the stuff you can do in the classroom, but for students working in independent groups, I definitely think it hits the higher parts of the SAMR model with the transformation. So this is stuff they aren't able to do in small groups already, and it gives them audio and visual, and it just is very interactive for the students. and it creates new tasks that we weren't able to do before this. So I think this would be great for kindergarten, first or second graders. I haven't been able to jump into all of the math just because a lot of it's locked, but I think even you can move up to third grade with the multiplication.